Does Google Assistant pronounce your name correctly, Will?
I don't think it's ever pronounced my name. When would it do that?
Haven't you seen the movie Her before?
Have you?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so.
Well, you guys are supposed to have a relationship. It's supposed to be
And the assistant?
it's a two-way street, Will.
Well,
You get what you give, Will. You got to put some effort into this relationship.
What am I supposed to do?
Well, for one,
Virtual flowers?
you're supposed to say each other's names every so often.
What's her name?
Google.
Google Assistant?
Oh, just hey. Just Google hey.
Oh,
See, I know I did it the other way around so that people don't have to get mad at me.
yeah.
Hey, Google.
So,
I apologize. Sorry. Yeah, a lot of times, Assistant will not say your name phonetically, or it will attempt to say, it might not be right.
right.
It might not come out, and that can be offensive to people. It's like this,
Sure, yeah.
when you go to Starbucks and
Yeah.
if they put the wrong name, like Kirk is always flipping out if they ever put, like Mo was calling him Kurt for a year.
Yeah.
Oh, you like that one?
time.
You like that one? Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's funny because it's,
Mo was calling Kirk Kurt for a year and a half,
yeah.
and there's still tension because of it. Because you don't know what people got as far as their sensitivities are concerned.
Yeah. There's beef every day.
Yeah, you just don't know. And so I'll go to the Starbucks, and I actually don't go inside the Starbucks nearly as much, obviously. It's a lot of drive-through these days. But in the olden days, they put the name on the cup, what's your name? But now everybody's got the app and they know. But
Sure.
Anyway, with Assistant, you can fix it if it's been saying your name wrong. If you got one of these names, you can actually record yourself saying your own name, and then Assistant will nail it based on your pronunciation.
Oh,
You like that?
with their voice.
Its voice.
Its voice. Sure. Pronouns.
Easy there.
Yeah.
So there's a little video clip at the bottom that shows the difference. It's actually pretty cool because normally it's just reading it and it can sound very unnatural. Go to the video clip at the bottom. It's like a 28-second video clip. There you go. And you can see, oh, you still got IMAX playing. You got a soundtrack going, Willie do.
Sorry.
Yeah, play this here. Look at the name. Here you go.
Lemuel Secularist.
You heard that? Lemuel Secularist.
Lemuel Seacrest.
Lemuel Seacrest.
See the difference?
Wow.
See the difference?
That's impressive.
Hey Google, call Lemuel Seacrest.
Calling Lemuel Seacrest. Maine.
You like that?
Yeah. Good
Same
on them.
can say names.
Yeah.
So the AI, the assistant, has the word, then listens to your pronunciation, and is that little difference in nuance is significant.
Now our relationship is way deeper
That's right.
because of that. So
You ever seen the movie Her?